Poo-poo. Are you stinky poo-poo? Say, I'm a little stinker. Are you a stinky poo-poo? I'm a stinky poo-poo. I'm a stinky poo-poo. What? Are you not a stinky poo-poo? Can you say, toga, 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 toga? No? No baby Belushi today? No baby Belushi today? You want to be baby Belushi today? Toga, toga, toga. Oh, you're so silly. Yes, I love you. You're my pretty, no, say handsome baby Wyatt. Yes, handsome Wyatt. Yes, you will. Yes. Toga, toga, toga. Say grandma. Yes. Hi. Look what a big boy you are now. Did you get the hiccups from the laughter? Huh? Are you a milkaholic? Is that what's going on? You got the hiccups from a milkaholic? You've been hanging out with Lindsay. I can tell by that smile. Should I say Lindsay again? Were you hanging out with Lindsay?